Okay. So what we wanted to prove here is, can all of you hear me? Okay, fine. How image of orthocenter with respect to any side lies on the circumcircle. Okay. Anyone want to give some idea? I want to say that this angle is 90 minus C. This angle A dash BC. Anybody want to tell why it is? Okay, before that, let me ask this. Wait. This angle is 90 minus C. Is that clear or any doubt? That is very simple because this is a right angle triangle. Okay, B, you want to give some names here also is okay. L, M, and N. Okay. Triangle BMC is a right angle triangle, so because of that, this angle is 90 minus C. This is 90, this is C, so this is 90 minus C. So angle CBM is 90 minus C. Okay. But I am saying now angle A dash BL or BC is also 90 minus C. Anybody want to tell why this is 90 minus C? Which triangles are similar? No, these two are similar. We don't know yet. We don't know it. We know this is 90, this is 90. We know this angle, but we don't know that these angles are equal, or we don't know that these angles are equal yet. AB is a chord. Okay, AB is a chord. Yes, correct. Angle BA dash L is not C. Is it C? Yes, it's C only. You are right. That's good. Yeah. This angle is exactly same as this angle because chord AB, how much it is subtending here, that much it should subtend here. You are right. Okay. So let me tell that also. That is angle BA dash L is same as angle BCA, which is angle C. So this is C. This is 90. So this is 90 minus C. Yes, we can say that also. First we can say this, and okay, now we can say this is 90 minus A after this. Okay, so let me write this come back. Yeah, that's good. Angle A dash BL is now 90 minus C, because already this angle is 90 is known. Okay, this is also 90 minus C. We already seen that. What is that angle? MBC is 90 minus C. And I think I should have written this first, that it's okay. Angle BLA dash is equal to angle BLH is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Are these two congruent triangles? Not just similar. Are these two congruent triangles? All angles are equal, but is that sufficient for congruency? Yeah, BL is common. Okay. Yes. BL is equal to BL. Okay, because of all this, now we can say triangle BLH is congruent to triangle BLH is congruent to triangle BLA dash. Okay, because of that, HL is equal to LA dash. HL equal to LA dash, and also A dash is image of H with respect to BC. Okay, so either before or after you can write the statement that image of orthocenter with respect to any side lies on circumcenter of triangle. Image of orthocenter with respect to any side lies on circumcenter of triangle. If you go back and look at your 2D geometry synopsis, all this will be there. At least some gist of it will be there. 2D coordinate system right in the beginning. In your mains material synopsis, you will find this at the end, or maybe straight lines at the end, one of these two places. I can check. Yes, please. Which part? These two angles are, oh, if I take a circle and there is a chord, this angle is same as this angle. These two angles are equal, right? So chord AB, how much angle it is subtending at C? Same angle it is subtending A dash. Angle ACB should be same as A dash B. Is it okay? That's how both are equal. Okay. So this angle is C, and this is 90. This is 90 minus C. This is 90 minus C because this is C. This is also 90 minus C, and this is the common side. So by ASA property, angle, side, angle, they are congruent. Okay. Anybody else has any doubt anywhere, any part of this? Sometimes they'll ask a question in straight lines based on this concept. How is that? They will tell there is a line 3x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the side of a triangle. And they will tell orthocenter is 2 comma 3. They will tell circumcenter is some 3 comma 5. Find circumradius of the triangle. One side BC is given, orthocenter is given, circumcenter is given. They want circumradius. Anybody want to tell how to find circumradius? Side BC equation is, yes please, who is that? Yes. Yes, if I just find distance to circumcenter, yeah. H is given, BC is given, you can find A dash. A dash is some point on the circle, and you know center of the circle S somewhere else. From that center to this point you find distance, that is the radius. Is it right? Okay. So for that kind of question you have to know this fact. So that's why they give this theory in straight lines also sometimes. And what we proved is not only true for acute angle triangle, our figure may be acute angle triangle, but the process is same even for obtuse angle triangle also. Okay, everybody is done with this? I am going to erase. Anybody needs more time? No. Okay. All of you have to be regular in submitting homework. I think at the other tag differentiation they gave very easy homework. People are submitting very late just for little homework. In the beginning of trigonometry, I said trigonometric formulas, whatever I am going to teach, you will be using for next 4 or 5 months. You can see, I think right from the day we started till now, I am teaching trigonometry only. Am I right? After Madison determinants are over, when is that? I don't know. Is it June? I don't know when we finished started trigonometry. At least July, August, September. At least some 6 months we are only teaching trigonometry, isn't it? Okay. In between, of course, we went to functions that, yeah, functions and inequalities and some things. But yeah, the same way differentiation for the next few months we'll be only using those differentiation formulas. Differentiability is discussed, it is over this exam onwards, but from your at least maybe next exam you may have differentiability coming Monday. But after that it is all differentiation, not you don't have to even use your limits, continuity and all that. Whatever differentiation you are learning, you are going to study application of derivatives. Many chapters are there. You are going to study rate of change and tangents and normals and monotonicity, maximum minima, application of derivatives, all these things. We will be using all the differentiation formulas. You might be using a little bit in physics here and there, but in maths you will be going thoroughly. Okay, so don't neglect differentiation part and don't say I don't know division rule and multiplication rule and differentiation formulas. You have to know. Yes, I am going to start vectors, but we have two things left. You have to complete heights and distances on your own and properties of triangle advanced metal on your own. I will be only clarifying doubts. Okay. And all that has to be completed by this Saturday. Okay, with this Sunday, with this Monday's exam, goodbye to trigonometry completely. Okay. We should have said goodbye last year itself, somehow we got extended. I wanted to start 2020 fresh with vector algebra, but somehow we got extended. 2021. Okay, I am erasing all this. Okay, in the same figure I want to explain some more things. Okay, this is H and this is A dash and this is B dash and this is C dash. Okay. If I take A dash B C, this triangle, okay, this new triangle I am taking, what are the angles just now we got? We got this angle as C, I remember it. This angle will come B. Meghavani, why this angle is B? You want to tell some explanation? Let us see. I can give you the hint that if you take a chord of a circle, yes, please, yeah, tell. No, I am giving the hint. If I take a chord of a circle and take any points on the same side of the chord, a chord will subtend same equal angles. The school level studied that. That is a hint. This angle is equal to, where is angle BC, and see how they are equal now. Yes, AC is the chord and it is subtending angle B at B also, same angle is subtend here, right? Okay, fine. So this should be B now. This is same as we have seen this angle, which is no, earlier we have seen if this is 90, automatically this is 90 minus C. Yeah, this is 90 minus C. I should have drawn bigger figure. It's okay. This is 90 minus B. Even here, this is 90 minus C, which is obvious from this right angle triangle. This is 90 minus B, so this is B and this is C. Okay. Now we can see earlier we proved this triangle and this small piece of the triangle are congruent, but now I can prove this total triangle and this total triangle are congruent. Why? All angles are equal. This is B plus C, this is B plus C, this is 90 minus C, this is 90 minus B, this is 90 minus C, this two are congruent. Okay. And in fact, you can see it is like a paper folding. Okay. With respect to this, when you fold, this piece will come exactly here. This side will match with this side will match with this. You can fold up. Okay. B A dash C, lift it up, it will become B H C. Everybody can see that, right? Yeah. Okay. But anybody want to tell me what is BA dash length? Anyway, I am going to still write this triangle BA dash C is congruent to triangle BHC. Yeah. Yeah, it is same as BH, and earlier BH length is 2R cos B, if you remember that. Okay. And earlier HC is 2R cos C, so now this is also 2R cos C, right? And this is BC side A only, right? Okay. Apart from that, let us see if somebody can answer this. BA dash C, what is the circumradius of this triangle? BA dash C. Same R. Why, Lokeshwar? Yeah, both have same circumcircle. What is speak of circumradius? Their circumcircle itself is same. Okay, so circumcircle, not the circumradius, circumcircle of triangle BA dash C. Okay, is same as circumcircle of triangle BAC or ABC, because both are in the same figure. So this one also has radius capital R only. Okay, so circumradius of triangle BA dash is also capital R. Okay, which is circumradius of triangle ABC. Okay. Okay, if somebody wants this area, it may not be so important, but if somebody wants a triangle BA dash C area, it is 2R square sin A, sin B, sin C, but angles are different now. I have to write sin 90 minus A, sin 90 minus C, sorry, and sin 90 minus B, and sin B plus C. How will you find area of any triangle? You 2R square sin A, sin B, sin C. You should know circumradius, you know all the three angles. Okay. That is going to come 2R square cos C, cos B, and sin B plus C, sin 180 minus A. It is going to be sin A. So I am going to get sin A, cos B, and cos C. That is area of triangle BA dash. So for BA dash triangle, I know all the three side lengths, I know all the angles, I know the circumradius, and I can even find the area. Everybody clear about it? Okay. Okay, I am going to erase this. As I said, it's not that many of these are formulas that you have to remember, they themselves can be questions. For example, one question here also I am telling as part of theory only is that you take this extra piece BA dash C triangle, CB dash A this outside triangle, AC dash B this outside triangle, when you add you will get the original triangle area because this piece will become this piece will become there, these two are congruent, and when you join this and this are congruent. Okay. So I am going to write like this that if you take area of BA dash C, area of CB dash A and area of AC dash B, this area is same as BHC area because they are congruent. This area is same as CHA area and this area is same as BHA area or AHB, which is same as when you add this piece plus this piece plus this piece, you will get triangle ABC area. Okay, this is just one result. We can write it and we will prove this result another way also. From geometry it is very easy. We will also do trigonometry to prove this. Nitin, Tarak, you are able to follow all these things? Okay. After this, I will ask you one question when I describe the next thing. Okay, everybody wrote this right? Clear? Okay. Without geometry, if I want to prove this, just now we got this area is 2r square sin A cos B cos C. That's what I got just now. Similarly, this area is going to come 2r square sin B cos C cos C, and this is 2r square sin C cos A cos B. Okay. When I add all these things, I should be getting delta, means 2r square sin A sin B sin C should come. From here to here, 2r square sin A sin B sin C should come by using trigonometry. Okay. Any idea is there? This is sin A cos B cos C. This is sin B cos C cos A. This is sin C cos A cos B. Should be equal to this. Yes, I wanted to ask Lithin, but it's okay. You already told. I'll ask Lithin some other question. Okay. Yeah, it is nice that you remember. Long time back, we used sin A plus B plus C formula, but we did not use in questions so much. If somebody remembers sin A plus B plus C formula, okay, sin of A plus B plus C. This will come sin A plus B cos C plus cos A plus B sin C. Cos A plus B sublime means all sign will come negative. Yeah, we'll get this plus this with a minus. Okay, I think as well I'll write here itself. This is actually equal to sin of A plus B plus C plus sin A sin B sin C. Okay. Actually, sin A plus B plus formula is this plus this minus this. Okay, that minus part I brought here. But A plus B plus is 180 degrees. That will become 0. Okay, A plus B plus is 180. It becomes 0. That's how we got 2r square sin A, sin B, sin C, which is delta. That is delta of area of triangle ABC. Okay, this is by using trigonometry and all that. But earlier, simply by pure geometry, we proved that these two are congruent, these two are congruent, these two are congruent, they add up to the pieces. I wanted to prove something like this in circumcenter also, somehow I missed it there, we will see. Okay. Okay, everybody clear? Yes? Chandani, your younger brother is disturbing you. Is your brother? Sister, I did not see that carefully. Okay, fine. Okay, everybody completed, right? Okay, right. Okay, something similar to this, but the proof is we may not be able to do by geometry. We might do this by trigonometry only. Let me see this. This is a triangle and acute angle. This is a circumcircle. This is acute angle triangle. Circumcenter is somewhere here. I want to join each vertex to circumcenter and extend it. Okay, this is ABC. This is you can call A dash if you want, B dash and C dash. I think interestingly here also B A dash C area, C B dash A area and A C dash B area when I add up, okay, it will come same as triangle ABC area. But I don't think BSC and BA dash C are congruent. It is not because of that. Okay. Let us see if somebody can help me with this. I am joining BA dash and this. I took the side vertex A, joined to the circumcenter, extended, it is meeting the circumcircle at A dash. For example, first of all, what is the A dash length? 2r, it is diameter, right? Yeah. The first thing we can write is A dash is 2r, obvious. Okay. What is angle AB A dash? 90 degrees, angle in a semicircle, right? If you take hypotenuse, the diameter of this and the angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees, right? So, you can simply write angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Okay. Now, what is angle A dash BC? 90 minus B. Earlier it was 90 minus C earlier, now it is 90 minus B because this is B. This has to be 90 minus B because this total is a right angle. This total is 90, this is B, this is 90 minus B. Yes. This is 90 minus C in the same way, because again angle AC A dash is 90 degrees. This is angle C, this is 90 minus C. So this total is C, this is 90 minus C. Okay. What is, this is 90 minus B, I should write, yeah. What is circumradius of triangle BA dash? Circumradius of triangle BA dash C. R only, because this is also inscribed in the same circle. So it is R. So what is the area of triangle BA dash is going to come? Same, 2R square sine 90 minus B, and of course, what is this angle A dash? One 180 minus A, because in a cyclic quadrilateral sum of opposite angles is 180. This is A, so this should be straight away 180 minus A dash. I should write that also. Angle A dash is equal to 180 degrees minus A. Okay. So sine 90 minus B and sine 90 minus A, 90 minus B, 90 minus C, and sine 180 minus A, which is same as B plus C anyway. Okay, so we got same like earlier, 2R square sine A cos B and cos C. Okay. Please copy up to here, then I will write the similar thing, that BA dash C plus CB dash A plus AC dash B add up to the again same area, even though we don't have such congruency the previous one here. Heights and distance is a very easy topic. I think many of you are completing on your own, but you may have few doubts here and there. What is the figure? Sometimes not clear for one or two questions, or one or two questions figure may be clear, but you don't know how to use trigonometry to find it. Some of them I'll discuss, but it's a very important topic. In every mains exam, definitely one question will come mostly only from heights and distances. Forget about the rest of the trigonometry. Okay, it may be easy topic, but it's an important topic. There are 5-6 topics in maths especially where hardly takes 2 days to learn a topic thoroughly and do all the questions, but definitely one question will come from that in mains exam. So that means if you study for 15-20 days, minimum 5 questions, pakka 6 questions we can attempt in mains exam. Instead of studying whole 2 years, study for 10-15 days and you can make sure minimum 7 to 8 questions will be right. No, math introduction is not there for JEE Mains syllabus. It may be there, but they cannot be asked in the mains exam. Okay. Some noise. I think I have to mute somebody. Okay. Anybody any doubt? Not clear about any one of the angles or something? Clear. Okay. Yes, please. Angle A dash is 180 minus A, I wrote. Which angle are you talking about? AB A dash. AB A dash is 90 because this is diameter. If you take a circle and this is diameter, you take any point and join. Angle in a semicircle is 90, right? This is a semicircle. Is it okay? That's what I wrote. Angle in a semicircle. Okay. Okay, like earlier here, of course, the previous A dash and this A dash are different, but still, yeah, properties of triangles include height and distance, right? But in mains exam, heights and distance exclusively one question will come, apart from properties of triangle. Here also BA dash C plus CB dash A plus AC dash B is this is 2R square sin A cos B cos C, 2R square sin B cos C cos A, and 2R square sin C cos A cos B is same as 2R square common sin of A plus B plus C plus sin A sin B sin C. This is 0 because this is 180 degrees, it will be 0 gone. You will get 2R square sin A sin B sin C, which is area of triangle ABC. Okay. So this step is same more or less. Okay. Anybody want to say some idea where the previous figure and this figure are completely